Okay, today we're gonna be working on a 2025 Ford Expedition. We need to do some programming of a rear radar. So let's open up here, FDRS. Let's check our connection with the VCI, making sure we have a good connection before we log in. We're good to go. Let's log in. Let's search for that VIN number. Let's press go. You can see this vehicle has a lot of codes in it. You can see the information here, 2025 Expedition. And it does have a lot of codes. The vehicle was involved in an accident. They did a ton of repairs on this vehicle. They, according with the shop, they did replace the rear left radar, and he booked an appointment for us to program that radar. So that's all we're doing. He would like us to clear all the codes, and that's what we're doing. We do what the customer asks us to do. So before we proceed with the programming, we're gonna clear all the code as the customer requested, and then we're gonna go ahead and start programming that module. So the majority of the communication after we clear all the codes has been restored. So let's go specifically to that module that they told us that they would like us to program. Let's go ahead and download those files. Let's run the programming. Press OK. OK. Okay, let's double check and make sure that the programming was successful. Let's reset the codes. And it looks like the programming was successful. There's another DTC here. We're gonna take a quick look at the DTC. I'm gonna go to all data. It's the VIN number. Let's grab that code. Let's read more information about it. It looks like there's a connection issue, short to ground, within that sensor that they replaced. It could be within the sensor itself, or it could be within the system itself. Talk to the customer about running a full diagnostic on the vehicle so we can actually fix the problem and all the lights will be turned off. The customer do not agree to our charges, so we're gonna move on. Our job here is done. The programming was successful, which it was for what he hired us, and this job is complete.